So guys, how's it going? This will be a new channel. Yeah, it's just Lee. So I'm just on my way to my friend's house called Owen, because we're gonna have this thing like every Saturday. We go round to my dad's and go on my quad and my motorbike, and I'm gonna try and get some clips and stuff. Yeah. It's an alright day, I suppose. It's a bit cold. It's like 10 degrees. Yeah, I'll try and get some clips for you. And
Last one.
peace.
What were you standing?